All right, guys, so we've got a F-250 that we're going to be doing a two-step correction on. We're doing the wash process right now. So we've already done the wheels. We always do the wheels first, and then next up is we're gonna be soaping down the car, washing the car, clay barring the car, drying it off. So you've already seen that in all the other videos, but I'm just gonna kind of run through it right now. So first, I kind of want to show you what we're working with. You can see all those swirls and scratches on there. Big old tree marks. All right, so we've got the wash, decon, and dry all done. Just kind of want to walk you around the car so you can see the tree branch damage. And this paint is called Tuxedo Black, so it is the metallic shiny black. Oh, this is going to be a good one. Both sides. All right, so we got the wash, prep, and tape off process all done. We just tape off the major moldings that we might hit when we're doing the correction step. If we get close to these ones, of course, we'll go ahead and tape them off. But for ease right now, it's just easier to tape off all the big ones because we're going to be majority of the work done over the next couple of hours is going to be on these sides. So we're going to get that rolling. But as far as machines and products used today, the Rupes machines, we're going to be cutting with the microfiber. These are the McGuire's microfiber pads. We'll be using the Toshkimi H9 heavy cut. Then our second step is going to be with the Lake Country orange foam and the Sonax perfect finish for the polish. That should get us a pretty good two-step. You see the damage on there, so we can only get what we can get. And a large portion of the back of the truck has been Bondo worked. I don't know if you can see those waves right in there. So this was either hit or damaged or sideswiped or something. So this has been repainted. So we got to kind of be careful in these areas. Still got some deep wet sanding marks and some fish eyes in the paint. So the client understands that we're only going to be able to get what we can get, but it looks like he attempted to polish an area. You see this circle right here, that it came out pretty clean. So I think with our step process and the products that we're going to use, we're going to get at least, I think, a 90 out of this. I would be really happy with that. So me and Aaron are going to get going on this thing, and we'll keep you updated. All right, so we're at a good little halfway point here. Wanted to kind of show you what we're looking like now. This is after the heavy cutting phase. You can see we've got the tuxedo black back. There's still some deep stuff, but for what it looked like before, major game changer. This is the bed part that's been resprayed, and you can obviously see the defects and sanding marks that aren't so quality. Making good progress though. All right guys, so it's day 2. We have completed all the prep, the correction, the polishing, and now we are getting ready to do the coating. It is a drastic difference in clarity from a ranch truck to a very nice truck. We did some small paint touch-ups for him as well with the paint that he provided. And now we're gonna get started with our Underdog Pro, our applicator, and our towels. I've already prepped the surface for the coating, and we're gonna get going on that. All right guys, so Underdog Pro, applicator. First one, you wanna put a lot on the applicator, get it pretty wet, fold it over. That way it's spread out nice and even. Another generous amount. And then we're actually gonna do this whole side of the truck.
Hey, also, I was gonna tell you, I don't know if we have like a polish or anything coming up here soon. But I've got some white Rupes pads.
Oh,
and
sweet.
some, I don't know if you've used M302 by Coach Kimmy, but it's like their gloss one. And I can bring that over. We're gonna try this out.
Now we're going to set a timer for 5 minutes. And this is the finished result after a level 2 correction and coating. Joel and Karen will be in here in a little while to finish up the window tint. Thanks so much for watching this process. Make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button, and we will see y'all in the next one.